and stretching back.
E kori tinana ana e nei kiripuaki wakaari Māori I mua I tō rātou wakaturanga ki te hāpori o Wanganui.
Waenga was written in response to the government changing, the last government into the current. And Hariata and Tamati were thinking, do Rangatahi know how government works?
Kua aratakina a Regan Taylor raiwa ko Jim Moriarty I a Waenga, he wakaari ka pokea te kaimā takitaki e ngā wakaro e pāna ki te ao tō rangapu I e nei wā.
I'm saddened that we have to make these places. You know, that we are holding the mirror up to society and ourselves, and an opportunity for people to have a good look at what society is doing or how it's working for us or how it's not working for us. These are important things.
It's a very political piece. It's got themes of social justice, social change as well, and yeah, it's really cool to be here. Kia ora.
E rongo nui ana a Hariata Moriarty ki ngā mai wakata, a ka ara I takirua raiwa ko tana tungane a tāmati I tēnei wakaturanga hei kiripuaki matua.
He whakaari mo te whare tāpere, so this is like maybe the 4th or 5th iteration that we've done of this whakaari. Originally it was a two-hander with my brother and I performing the roles alongside our musician, and now we've expanded it to have 9 people on stage. The reason why there's so many rangatahi telling the story is because the foundation of the story is about rangatahi. It follows rangatahi Māori.
He wakaturanga kua tuhia nā te rangatahi, mō te rangatahi, ki te tākiri, I o rātou wakaro ki ngā take tō rangapu.
This year, we're really lucky we get to vote. We get to vote in this country, so I hope that this whakaari helps people to think about that and to engage with politics. And we're not trying to push a worldview, it's just for people to question their own thinking.
Me te a, mā te wakaari nei, aki nā te hunga rangatahi, ki te pōti a te noema e kaina mumai nei.
This year alone is an election year. And what better way to make choices? I mean, we can't tell people how to vote in this because it's taken from the standpoint of rangatahi. What a platform to have a voice. What a platform to be those that have lived experience to be validated, to know that, you know, the hundreds of people that we're performing to, thousands of people we're performing to, are hearing the same voice again and again and again.
Kare kore karongo a karu, ka kite a taringa, ngā kupu aki o te wakaari nei, e Wanganui wānui. Te kakinga Kawiti Bashara, Taiuru News.
Ko te reo